Okay, hi everyone. Next method is the Modi method. The name of the method will be Modi method. Question as it is will be given, only method name will be changed. Okay, na? In that some lengthy procedure is there, but you can solve easily if you know the previous method. Easily you can solve the Modi method also. Okay, na? The name of this method is Modi method. Like this, solve with the help of Modi method. Like this will be question will be given. Here as you can see, O1, O2, O3, that is supply only. You can write S1, S2, S3, or you will give A, B, C, D, E, F, G, whatever it may be. So you have to select O1, O2, O3 and D1, D2, D3 and D4. As you can see here, D1, D2, D3, D4, O1, O2, O3. Here 1, 2, 1, 4, 3, 3, 2, 1, 4, 2, 5, 9. Here value is given. What is the value here? 20, 40, 30, 10, 30, 50, 20. The sum of this should be 100 and sum of this should be 100. So whenever it is Modi method is given, what you have to do, by using any method like northwest corner method, by using VAM method, or by using least entry method, you can select the any method and find out the degeneracy, whether the problem is related to degeneracy or not. So you have to check whether the degeneracy is there or not. I already told you how to find out the degeneracy. If number of rows plus number of column minus 1 is equal to number of allocation, right side is equal to left side, then there is a no degeneracy. Right side is equal to left side, then there is a no degeneracy. So for that you have to pick up the any of the method. Let's pick the northwest corner method. Like this question will be given. So first you have to solve problem with the help of northwest corner method. You already know how to solve the problem with the help of northwest corner method. So I will copy from here. So first I will copy the question what is given here. As you can see here, D1 value is given, D2 value is given, D1 value is given, D2 value is given, and this is D3 and this one is the D4, and here O1 is given, O2 is given, and this is the value for O3, and whatever the numbers are there, that one you have to write 1, 2, 1, and this one is the 4. Next one is the 3, this is 3, this is 2, and this one is the 1. Next one is the 4, this is 2, and this one is the 5, and this one is the 9, and you have to enclose in a box. This one you have to enclose in a box. So here the value D3 for D3, D2, D1. Okay, now these values you have to enclose. After that, see here, whatever the outputs are there, that one also you have to enclose that one. So here what is the value demand? 20, and this one is equal to 20, and here how much value is there here? 40, this one is equal to 30, and this one is equal to 10. Now here also supply 30, and this one is equal to 50, and this one is equal to 10. Then after that what you have to do is rows and columns should be equal. The sum of this should be is equal to how much? 100, and then sum of this should be is equal to how much? 100. The sum of this is equal to 100, and sum of this is equal to how much? 100. The sum of this is equal to how much? 100, and the sum of this is equal to how much? 100. 1, 2, 1, 4, 3, 3, 2, 1, 4, 2, 5, 9. This value is given. 20, 40, 30, 10, 30, 50, 20 values is given. Now the next step what you have to do, here you got, now you can select the any method. So let's select the northwest corner method. Which method we are selecting? If you want to find out the Modi method, first we have to select the northwest corner method. Here solving S-O-L-V-I-N-G, solving with the help of northwest corner method. Solving with the help of northwest corner method. As you know, northwest corner method, always you have to target the corner one. Okay, na? And here you have to check here 20 is there and here 30 is there. Which one is the least? 20 you have to project here and cancel from here. 20 you have to project here. That row you have to, that column you have to eliminate. After that you have to target this one. Okay, na? Here 40 is there and here some value is there. Like that old method only you have to follow that. So directly I will write down the values for that one, because you very well know about that one method. You very well aware about that method. That's why I am writing directly I am writing the values of that one. So as you can see here, I wrote the values. What is the values I wrote here? With the help of northwest corner method. Which method? Northwest corner method. I solved this one. Okay. So here I got the allocation here, 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 and here, and here I got the allocation. After that getting this allocation, I have to check whether the given one is a degeneracy or not. Okay, now whether the given one is a degeneracy or not. How to check that one? One formula is there. First you have to write number of rows or number of column or number of rows. Number of rows designated with the letter M. How many are there number of rows? As you can see, 1, 2, 3. Number of rows is 3. Next you have to take number of columns. Number of columns, COLUMNS. Number of column is designated with N. How many are there? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So number of rows 3, number of column 4. Then number of rows then number of allocation, ALLOCALATION, allocation, number of allocation. As you can see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total number of allocation, how many are there? 6 are there. Total number of allocation, how many are there? 6 are there. So after that you have to write this formula. The formula is M plus N minus 1 is equal to number of allocation, ALLOCATION, number of allocation. Number of rows, how many rows are there? 3. Number of rows, how many rows are there? 3. Number of column, how many columns are there? 4 minus 1. Number of allocation, how many are there? 6. So as you can see, 7 minus 1 is equal to 6. 6 is equal to 6. There is a no DEGENERCEY. There is a no degeneracy. There is a no degeneracy. When there is a no degeneracy, the problem is fit for the Modi method. This question is fit for the Modi method. If degeneracy is there, how to solve that one, I will tell you later in next problem. So here, whenever there is a no degeneracy, the problem is related. The problem you can solve by using the Modi method. So what you have to do? Again, you have to write this one. So here, what is the given value here? As you can see here, this is the D1 and D2, and this is D3, and this one is the D4, and here O1 is there, here O2 is there, and here O3 is there. Same thing you have to copy here. What is the value here? 1, 2, 1, and this one is the 4. Next one is the 3, 3, 2, next one is the 1, next one is the 4, 2, this is 5, and this one is the 9. As you can see here, so first you have to close in the boxes D4, this is D3, this one is D2, and this one is D1, and this one is O1, O2, like this here. And wherever the allocations are there, first you have to locate the allocation, wherever the allocation. So here in one allocation is how much is there? 20. In one allocation is how much? 20. Into allocation is how much? 10. Into allocation is how much? 10. In 3 allocation is how much there? In 3, 30. Allocation is how much? 30. Into allocation is how much is there? 20. How much is there? 20. In 5 allocation is how much there? 10. So here you have to write 10. In 9 allocation is how much is there? 10. Like this you have to write, and the order terms also you write. Here 20 is there, next one is the 40 is there, next one is the 30 is there, next one is the 10 is there. Next here what is the value? 30. Next one is the 50. Next one is the 20. And the sum of these two is equal to how much? 100. And the sum of these three, 4 is equal, the sum of these 3 is equal to how much? 100. And the sum of this 4 is equal to how much? 100. Again I copy that one. Next you have to find out the allocated and unallocated cell. Here you have to find out the allocated and unallocated cell. So here you can write the C11, first row, first column, first row, first column, C11, Here you can write C12. Here you can write C13. This here you can write C14, C21, C22, C23, C24, C31, C32, C33, C34. What you have to write? First row, first column. First row, second column. First row, third column. First row, fourth column. Then second row, first column. Second row, second column. Second row, third column. Then second row, fourth column. Then third row, first column. Third row, second column. Third row, third column. Third row, fourth column. Then occupy cell, and then occupy cell. What you have to write? Occupy cell you have to find out, then occupy cell you have to assume. Okay na? Assume for occupy cell, wherever the occupy cells are there na, so you have to take the occupy cells. Occupy cell, the formula will be like that: Cij is equal to Ui plus Vj. The formula will be Cij is equal to Ui plus Vj. Cij is equal to Ui plus Vj for occupy cell. For that, what you have to do? Here you have to assume U1 is equal to 0. What you have to do? This one you have to assume. This one you have to assume. You have to find out the value of U2. You have to find out the value of U1 you have to assume as, starting U1 you have to assume as 0. Then you have to find out the value of U2. You have to find out the value of U3, and here also you have to find out the value of V1. You have to find out the value of V2. You have to find out the value of V3. You have to find out the value of V4. You have to, here you have to find out the value of V1, V2, V3 and V4. V1, V2 and V3, and next you have to find out the value of V4. V1, V2, V3. First occupy cell. First one is the occupy cell. Whatever the occupy cell is there na, that one you have to take. First one is the occupy cell. Next you have to take unoccupied cell. So occupy cell means allocated cell. This one is the allocated cell. This one is the allocated. This one is the allocated. This one is the allocated. This one is the allocated, and this one is the allocated. So wherever the allocated cells are there, first you have to concentrate on allocated cell. First you have to concentrate on which cell? Allocated cell. First you have to concentrate on which cell? Allocated cell. Okay na? Then after that you have to see that unallocated cell. After that you have to see that the unallocated cell. First you have to concentrate on allocated. So here allocated cell. First one is the allocated. Which one is the allocated? Here. So I will write the formula. Ij is equal to Ui plus Vj. Ui plus. So where is the allocated cell? C11. What is the value here? C11. I will write here C11. So U1, this is V1. C11. What is the value? 1. U1 value, as you can see, U1 value is 0, V1 value. So here you got the value of V1. V1, how much you got? V1. So once again I will explain you how to get this one. Cij is equal to Ui plus Vj. Cij is equal to wherever the occupy cell is there. Occupy cell. For occupy cell, this is the formula. What is the formula? Cij is equal to Ui plus Vj. So first one, see, this cell is occupied. This cell name is C11. C11. So first one for U, second one number for V. So here both the numbers are 1 1 only. Both the numbers are 1 1. So U1 V1. U1 V1. So C11. C11 value is 1 equal to U1 value. U1 value is 0 and V1 value write down as it V1. V1 value is 1. How much you got the V1 value? 1 only. How much you got the V1 value? 1 only. Then after that what you have to do? Next step. After that what you have to do? Next step. You got the value V1. V1 how much you got? 1. V1 how much you got? 1. Again you have to write down the same formula. What is the formula? Cij is equal to ui plus vj. Cij is equal to ui plus vj. So here next occupied cell. What is the next occupied cell? C12. For next occupied cell is C12. Next occupied cell is C12. C12. So U1 V2. Here first value is for U, second value for V. So C12. C12 value how much is there? 2 is equal to U1. As you can see, we assume U1 as a 0. V2 value you don't know. So here you got the value of V2. V2 is equal to how much you got? 2. So here you can write V2 value is equal to how much? 2. V2 value is equal to how much? 2. Next one you have to find out Cij is equal to ui plus vj. Again you have to write down the formula. Now next occupied cell C22. So here you can write C22 is equal to U also 2, V also 2, U2 plus V2, U2 plus V2. So C22 value, how much? C22 value. Here what is the value here? C22. C22 value how much is there? 3. 3 is equal to U2 value. How much? What is the value? U2. U2 you don't know. Write down U2 as it is. V2 just now you got. How much it is? 2. So 3 minus 2 is equal to U2. So U2 how much you are getting? 1. U2 value is equal to U2 how much you got? 1. U2 value how much you got? 1. Next step what you have to do? Next step in that after getting this thing, next step what you have to do? You got the V1, you got the V2 and you got the V3. You got the V1, V2 and V3. Okay na? U2. After that next again you have to write down this formula. What is the formula here as you can see? Cij is equal to ui plus vj. Cij is equal to ui plus Vj. Again you have to write down this formula. Next occupied cell. Which one is the next occupied cell? C23. So here you can write C23. First 2 for U and 3 for V. So here you can write U2 plus V3. So C23. How much value is there? Equal to U2 value. How much the U2 value? U2 value is 1. V3 you don't know. 2 minus 1 is equal to V3. V3 value is equal to how much you got? V3 is equal to 1. V3 is equal to 1. Like this again you have to find out the next occupied cell. What is the next occupied cell? Cij is equal to ui plus vj. Ui plus vj. Next occupied cell name is C33. Here as you can see here C33. So U3 plus V3, U3 plus C33 value how much is there? 5 is equal to U3 value. You got the U3 value? No. U3 value you have to find out. V3 just now you got how much that is? V3 just now you got now how much that is? 1. If you substitute here 5 minus 1 is equal to U3. So U3 how much you get? 4. U3 value is equal to how much? 4. U3 value is equal to how much? 4. Next one is the last one. For occupied cell, Cij is equal to ui plus vj. Ui plus vj. Last occupied cell. What is the name of the cell? C34. So here you can write C34. Here you can write C34. U3 plus V4. C34. How much value is there here? 9 is equal to U3. U3 value just now you got. How much that is? 4 plus V4. So 9 minus 4 is equal to V4. So V4 how much you are getting? 5. V4 value how much you are getting? 5. So here you can write the 5. So first you have to take the occupied cell. In occupied cell how to find out the formula? The formula is simple is there. Cij is equal to ui plus vj. Cij is equal to ui plus vj. Like this you have to find out wherever the how many occupied cells are there in that. As you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is for occupy cell, but in starting what you have to do here, u1, u2, u3, v1, v2, v3, and this is v4. In starting u1 you have to assume as a 0. In starting u1 you have to assume as a 0. Then find out the u2, then find out the u3, then v1, v2, v3. This is the formula for occupy cell. This is or allocated cell. Next you have to find out the unoccupied cell. You have to find out the unoccupied cell. So here I will write down the formula for unoccupied cell. Here I will write down the unoccupied cell. This is the next one is this is the formula for unoccupied. Cij minus ui plus vj. This is the formula for unoccupied cell. Cij minus ui plus vj. Cij minus ui plus vj for unoccupied cell. As you can see that occupy, how many cells are there? 6 cells are there. For unoccupy, how many cells are there? You have to find out. For unoccupied cell, this is the formula. Cij is equal to ui plus vj for unoccupied cell. How many unoccupied cells are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here also how many? 5, 6 are there. So again I will write down that formula only. As you can see here, for unoccupied cell, first one Cij minus ui plus vj. So here what is the first one? As you can see here, unoccupied cell C13. What is the value here? C13. C13. What is the value here? C13. So I can write u1 plus v3. u1 plus v3. Here C13 value is how much? 1 minus u1 value is equal to how much? 0. V3 value how much here? 1. As you can see here, 1 minus 1, answer is 0. Answer is 0. So as you can write here 0. What you can write here? 0. You can write the 0, right, for unoccupied cell. This is the first one. Now next one. This is the first one. For next one you have to write that formula only. Cij is minus ui plus vj. So Cij value how much is there? Which cell it is? First you have to focus on cell C14. So here you have to write C14 minus u1 v4. So here what is the value? 4 minus u1 value, as you can see 0. V4 value, how much you are getting? V4 value, as you can see, V4 value is 5. So here you can write the 5. So next is 4 minus 5. Answer is minus 1. Answer is minus 1. 4 minus 5. Answer is minus 1. How much you got? Minus 1. Answer is minus 1. So here you can write minus 1. Minus 1. Next one you have to find. Where is the unoccupied cell is there? Here is the unoccupied cell is there. So next one I am finding Cij is equal to either ui plus vj. So unoccupied cell, what is the cell name? Cell name is C21. So here I will write C21. Okay, no? C21. So here I will write the C21. So U2 or V1, U2 V1. C21, what is the value? 3. So I will write here 3 minus U2 value is how much is there? 1 plus V1 value, as you can see here, V1 value is how much there? 1. So I will write here 1. So here you can write 3 minus 2, answer is 1. 3 minus 2, answer is 1. So I will write here 1. So this is plus 1. The previous one is minus 1 and this one is the plus 1. Next one, again you have to find out how many unoccupied cell is there. 3. Again 3 you have to find out. For finding that one, Cij is equals minus Ui plus Vj, Ui plus Vj. So here Cij, next occupied cell is, what is the name of the cell? C24. Name of the cell is C24 minus U2 V4, U2 V4. C24, what is the value here? 1. U2 value is how much? 1. V4 value, how much it is there? 5. So here 1 minus 6, the answer is minus 5. Answer is minus 5. So here you can write the answer is minus 5. What you can write the answer? Minus 5. Next occupied cell, this one is the next occupied cell. What is the next occupied cell? Cij minus Ui plus Vj, Ui plus Vj, Cij, what is the value? C34. So here you can write the C34, name of the cell, C31, sorry, what is the name of this cell? C31, then U3, then V1, U3, V1. So C31, what is the value? 4. Value is 4. U3 value is how much? 4. Then V1 value is how much? 1. As you can see here, 4 minus 5. Again the answer, how much you are getting? Minus 1. So here you can write the minus 1. Here you can write the minus 1. Next one is the last one, unallocated, Cij minus Ui plus Vj. Last unallocated, what is the name of the cell? C32. So here you can write the C32. Next you can write here C32 minus U3 plus V2. Okay na? So C32 value how much is there here? 2 minus U3 value how much is there? 4. And V2 value is how much there? 2. So here you can write 2 minus 6. Answer is minus 4. Answer is minus 4. So here you can write the minus 4. So first you find out the allocated cell. Okay na? Next you find out the unallocated cell. Okay na? Allocated cell, and this one is the unallocated cell. For allocated cell, this one you have to use the formula. What is the formula? Cij is equal to Ui plus Vj. For unallocated cell, which formula you have to use? Cij minus Ui plus Vj. This is for an allocated, and that one for unallocated. Still problem is there. First you have to find out the allocated, then you have to find out the unallocated. After getting this allocated and unallocated, what you have to do? You have to select which one is the least is there. So here allocated and unallocated. Allocated cell, this is the formula, Cij is equal to Ui plus Vj. After that you have to select the pair of 4 cell. As you can see here, pair of 4 cell. In 4 cell, 3 are allocated and one is the negative value. 3 are allocated and one is the negative value. Like this you have to search the pair. Okay na? Like this cell you have to select. In that 4 cell, 3 are located. Okay na? 3 are allocated are there, and one is the unallocated, and that one unallocated cell is the minus 1 is there. In that minus 1 is there. As you can see here 1, 2, 3 are allocated and one is the unallocated. But what is the sign here? Plus. So you can't take this one. If you take this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, this is allocated, this is allocated, this is allocated, this is unallocated. Same condition will be there. But here which sign is there? Plus. If nothing is there, what will be the sign? Plus. If you consider this one, as you can see here, if you take this one, if you take this square, here allocated, 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 next one is the unallocated and minus sign is there. This one you can consider, and here you are getting another combination, allocated, allocated, allocated. Here you are getting minus. So you can take the this combination of these 4 or combination of these 4, both are equal only. Till when you have to solve this one, till you will get in unallocated all the values are should be positive. This is positive, this is positive, this is positive. If you are getting all the positive, then your problem is over. But here how many negatives are you getting? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 negatives are getting. So again you have to apply this method only to remove that negative sign. So you have to follow this one.